Guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Danny Boy Broderick, and what I'm going to be showing you today is how to create a colorized photo. So the sort of effect we're looking for is exactly like this, where the majority of the photo is black and white, which always gives a nice atmospheric effect, and then a part of it has been recolorized back in to really bring attention and focus to what it is that you want to show in your photo. Right, so today we're going to be using some software called GIMP. It's freely available, and this is the current, I believe, version 2.8, and it has some really easy tools for doing this sort of work. So here is our original photo, nice and colourful, and the first thing we're going to create is a black and white version of this, which will be the basis of our new photo. And the way we're going to do this is just simply copy the whole photo. We're going to create a new image, just like that. And there is our original colour photo. And I'm going to fix that in as a new layer there. And the easiest way to black and white it is simply to create a grayscale image, and that will turn it into a nice black and white photo. So once we've got our black and white, we're going to copy that back into our original photo. And again, we're going to create that as a new layer. And on top of that layer, the grey layer, we're going to add in a layer mask. Now this is basically going to allow us to cut holes through that grey layer to reveal the colour photo which is appearing underneath, and so it's a really easy effect to do. So let's add that on top, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tool. Let me just move down a little bit. I'm going to use this tool up here, the intelligent snipping tool, and so this is really going to allow us to cut out this image very easily, and it's just like connecting dots on a picture, just as you did when you were a child, and it's really easy. You just stick your dots, basically tracing around the photo as you want to do it, and you can do this really easily. And if I was doing this manually, airbrushing stuff out, which is how you would have done it in the past, it really takes a lot more time and effort to do it. But using this tool, it gives you straight away a foundation to cut out the image. And once we've got the basic sort of shape, it's really easy just to zoom in a little bit to have a look at those bits in detail that you might want to just go around a little more carefully, just to make sure that that everything is in line, basically. And so we just go around the image, making sure everything's all right. You can see here it's slightly out, but it's done a pretty good job of identifying the areas that we need to be doing, and I can just drag out these points where I see I need to do it. So once we've got the basic image there, all we do, you can see here it's chopped off her elbow. Let's just fix that. There we go. All we do, go back to the original image, is click anywhere in that area and simply delete it. And it's as easy as that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just take a closer look at this image, because you can see here some areas haven't been done quite right. So I'm going to use the airbrush just to go over that fine detail. and I'm going to use this hardness here of 0.75 to allow me to put the colour back in, and it's really easy. Just got to switch the colours around, just colour it back in, just like that. Really easy to do. And you know, if you're using Photoshop or something like this, they have exactly the same tools that you can use to do this. These days, I guess people are looking to do these sort of things, these effects, as cheaply and easily as possible. Everyone's watching their budgets, which is why I thought I'd show you in GIMP, as it's free, and it's a great piece of software just for doing this sort of work. So there we go. Well, let's just colour in her finger. There we go. Look how easy that is. And that is our finished effect. Let me just zoom out again. There you go. How easy was that? Well, thank you very much again for watching my video. Thank you to Screencast-O-Matic for providing the software that I use to create these tutorials, and I hope you enjoyed that, and give it a go yourself. And like I've shown you there, it's a really easy effect to do. Good luck now. Bye.